Okay, so I was having an issue where Vtec wasn't engaging. I cleaned the solenoid, made sure that I had no oil leaks, hooked up the Vtec pressure switch, the signal wire. I had a wire ran to the inside of the car, so when Vtec engaged, the light would come on, and there was no change. Turns out this bolt right here was missing, so I found one in the my bolts bin where I have a bunch of bolts, and threaded right in there. So we're gonna go take it out and see if Vtec engages now, because this is the race cam, and I want to kind of see how the Vtec engages. It won't be as good as whenever I get that new racing cam gear and I actually be able to adjust it a few degrees advanced. So right now it has like very low end power, even with distributor all the way advanced. And that's just because I have a stock cam gear. So we're gonna go out and test it and see how it does. Well, there you go. Definitely huge difference. Like, wow. I can't believe how big of a difference that one little bolt made. Vtec sounds really mean. It almost sounds like a B-series Vtec. Like I said, once I adjust the cam gear and get it all dialed in more, it should scream. It should scream really good. So yeah, if you have Vtec issues where Vtec's not engaging, check for oil leaks. Coolant has to be at, I don't remember the temperature, but it has to be warmed up at operating temperature. 30 psi of oil pressure, and all the conditions have to be right. So you have to make sure that there's signal, that there's ground. Like, there's a lot to take into consideration, but as long as you got that, you should be good. So that's how you can make sure your Vtec's working. Also, if you can, just run a wire from this signal wire right here directly into your car and hook up a LED light to it, and every time Vtec kicks in, it pops on. That's if you got signal coming from the computer, which I clearly do. You could definitely hear a difference. So thanks for watching, and I will be doing a live video here soon, so definitely stay tuned for that. I just tested it out tonight, and my phone's battery's junk, so I probably got to get a new battery because it just drained it like instantly. So I'll try to do my best to get you a schedule, so stay tuned to the channel, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share.